Hello, I'm just going to be showing you what happens when you put things in the microwave, and it's going to be like a series, so like loads of, we're going to do all other things. People who may appear in my videos will be my bestie, Chloe. Let's show your face to the world. You're so pretty. And then my sister Sarah, and then might appear, and then my sister Emma. Don't Emma! Paul. Then my sister Sarah, she's not here. I already said her, but I just said she's not here. And also maybe a couple of my friends, like Aoife might appear in one. She wanted to, so she might appear in one. Like the Weekly on Facebook and follow Catching C7 on Twitter and Chloe on Twitter. Tell us your name, Chloe.
My name is Chloe Leitner X.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. So follow her. Make sure you do it. Also like Bluebird on Facebook. So we're
Champion.
So we're gonna begin now. Let's go. We're gonna start off with a banana in the microwave. So I'm gonna peel this banana. This banana is very, very.
Do you want me to peel it?
No, it's good.
I will peel it with my thumb. Whoa. I'm a monkey.
This banana is all mushy, so I thought that would be better if it was mushed.
Yeah.
So guff the banana. Oh god, I mushed it all, so it's all.
Oh my god, that looks great.
Doesn't it?
Does.
I don't want to peel this banana with my hands, but I guess I'm gonna have to.
You're an animal.
Aren't I?
Are you putting the skin and all in?
Well, yeah, I'll put a bit of the skin in and see what happens to that. Actually, yeah, oh my god, that cuts really easy.
Does it?
Yeah.
You.
Yeah. So, come a bit closer on this one, Chloe. Right, so... right, so here's... It's very hard to cut. I'm just going to get the scissors here for this.
You.
And here's a bit of skin. And there's a banana. So, I'm going to put this in for like 30 seconds and then it might need to be a bit more.
Oh god, sorry.
Okay, it's in the microwave.
Bye.
It's getting close. For 30 seconds.
And to entertain you, Catherine will do the awkward dance. Oh, aye. Go on. So, yeah, like, turn it off. Let's do the awkward dance.
Oh my god, it's steaming, it's steaming. Woohoo! Oh my god.
Oh my god, it
steam.
smells really bad.
It smells really banana in my
Oh my god, it's all melty.
Do you want to eat that?
No.
Yum. I'll have that for. Oh, that's what
The skin. Oh god, it's roasting. I burnt myself nearly.
Ow! Ew!
Isn't that? Okay, so let's go over to the. Actually, we'll just throw it in the bin here. Skip that in. Yes, like so.
People see eat
I might. So I'm gonna
That thing.
spoon now to serve the yogurt. We're going to be putting on. So this is Tesco Greek style yogurt. It's my daddy's yogurt that I shouldn't really be using.
You wouldn't have to use that root yogurt.
But I'm using it.
Okay. Greek style, you.
Greek style. Whatever that means.
Means it's Greek style, obviously. I'm joking.
Okay. Oh my god, I think this is out of date.
Check the date.
No, it is. It's out of date. Out of date yogurt.
You. Everybody eats that.
Ew.
Look at that.
That's so disgusting. I'll put loads of it in there.
Oh, smell it. Oh.
Getting all over the place.
My god. I once ate a big spoonful of natural yogurt and I nearly went sick.
Okay, we're gonna just don't put it in yet. Okay, we're gonna put this in for 30 seconds and then it might need more. So if it does, we'll put it in for more. Okay.
Do you want me to stick it in?
Wait, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna put this in. 30 seconds. See the button. Good.
And Catherine shall do the awkward dance again.
No, I'm not doing the awkward dance again.
I know.
So while we're waiting on
Thing. Just watch me.
If you have any requests of like things to put in a microwave, no humans by the way, or like any mechanical things, only food. So if you have any of those, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and like the video, you know, stuff like that. So oh god, it's ready. Yeah. Ew.
Oh my god, there's all watery stuff.
Oh, smell that.
Oh,
Oh, that looks that's Chloe's dinner.
so it is. Come to me.
Why are you wanting to eat this stuff in the microwave?
Okay, let's dispose of this by Oh god.
Oh my god.
that's
Look
awful.
at that, like, watery stuff right there. Oh. Oh my god, that's disgusting.
I know, isn't it?
Captain, you spelled that like everywhere.
Right, okay.
You're innocent. Oh my god.
So that is what's on our episode today.
We'll make
So
another
as I said, there is it's on my hand. Any other things, please tell us, because we really want to know and really want to like do things, especially things that are like you'd never imagine of putting in a microwave. So
like nail polish.
no, that's highly flammable. Go on fire.
Let me see. Does it say highly flammable? Yes, it does. There we go. Flammable.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please comment and stuff and rate it and like it. And
Whoa, that's last for 6
stuff
minutes.
like that, and
Sorry.
subscribe to my videos, please. That would really be like a great help. Also, watch
Multi Pixie 1 2 3 4.
4 videos and some other person in my classes named Mr. Sci-Fi HD. Watch his videos as well. And it's nice for a wee shout out, you know. Did a good deed. So well, I'm gonna go now.
Bye.
And let's Chloe say bye.
Bye.
Is there anything you want to say, Chloe?
Okay. So yes, follow me on Twitter, Chloe Lautner X Lautner. Oh my god, pronounce it right. X on Twitter. Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
gonna check my followers every second. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.